Guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I don't know what I'm going to be doing, so. Let me fix my hair first. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use my Hatchimal. Hopefully, he doesn't act crazy because he's a teenager. Or he doesn't die because I haven't been playing with him. I haven't been playing with him, so let me find the flock. Hold on, guys. Okay. Oh no, he died. That's upsetting. Oh, gosh. It's working. She's hungry. You guys see me? Hold on, let me fix the lighting here. This is what I get for having a child. Okay. There's much better lighting. Okay, guys. So, I'm sorry I didn't post it today. I knew I was going to say I was going to do daily vlogging. That's orange, but they're yellow. Anyways, I'm sorry that I didn't post. But, yeah. Because yesterday my family members were leaving, so, yeah. I just haven't had time, okay. So, shh. Hold on, guys. Green. It's green eyes. Playing the game with him. Aww. Whee! Aww. Oh. As you can see, I'm playing a game with him. Tag. You're hungry. Okay, guys, so my Hatchimal is tired. I had to put him to sleep. Yeah, Babash? Yeah? Yeah, Lily? Come on, go to sleep. So, I'm going to put her to sleep. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. You guys are like thinking like she's a little Hatchimal. Like, why are you treating her like she's your child? She technically is my child because I cracked her out of the egg. Well, I let her crack out of the egg by herself. But I helped her crack out of the egg. I play with her. I feed her. I put her to bed every single night at 9:30. No, at 8:30, the same time I go to sleep. And then she wakes up in the morning. She stays here all day for 6 hours because I go to school. Since I'm going to 4th grade, 7 hours. Anyways, so just, yeah, her name is Lily. She's a teenager right now. I homeschool her. Technically, yes, I homeschool her because, like, we play tag with each other. she like does. Did you guys hear how she did like dun dun dun, and it sounded like a little knock, and I'm supposed to like repeat it to her, and then her eyes turned red. I read books to her. You guys are probably thinking like you should be on my strange addiction, but no, I read books to her. Just yeah, I keep her on my little desktop right there. Can you guys see it? Hold on, it's right there. It's the black thing right there, right there. So, keep it right there because it's the closest to my bed. Because my bed is right here, and the thing's over there. It's not that far from my bed, so it's kind of good. Sometimes my mom turns her on purpose for I can wake up. Because whenever she wakes up, she makes noises. She wakes up, she makes noises. And right now she has to go to sleep because that's her first nap. Except you're a teenager, you shouldn't be taking first naps. I remember when she was a baby. Oh! 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 Okay. She just hit the camera and the pause button at the same time. I did not know that she did that. So. Hi, this is my world, so stop with my favorite. Yeah, my baby child, chance. Or flicks on your head. Okay, so I know this video is kind of boring. It's just like a vlog, sort of, because I will put the link of in my description of all my other videos. I'm kidding. I will never do that. I don't know how to work that much of YouTube yet, so. Go follow my Musical.ly account. They'll be in the description, both of them. And I don't have Snapchat or anything, so yeah. This video is sponsored by Slither.io. I'm kidding. I love Slither.io. The game Slither.io just makes me happy. So Slither.io is technically a game, basically a game of a bunch of worms, and you're supposed to try to like eat them and make them die, for you can eat their like little dots. I don't know how to call it, like guts. I call them guts sometimes. Yeah, no. Stuff like that, and I just, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. This was just a tiny vlog. I will film a big video tomorrow. I'll find out something to do. So be sure to click that like button. I want this video to get to 100 likes at the least. Click that notification bell if you haven't already to get notified whenever I post a new video. Subscribe if you haven't already to join the K Squad. And just share and comment. If you did all that, comment hashtag KK Carmen, and I will go down there and check who that is. So, bye.